Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits related to the topics parts of speech, main verbs, auxiliary verbs, phrasal verbs, adverbs, and types of adverbs from the English grammar. There is dash a shortage of qualified teachers in England. Dash the government is paying students to train in teaching. Answer such and that. My father treasures the gold watch that he was given dash a retirement present. Answer as. My father plays golf just for fun, although sometimes he plays dash some professionals. Answer as skillfully as. I felt dash ill yesterday to get out of bed, but I am feeling dash better today. Answers too ill and a lot better. I felt quite out of place in my evening dress as most of the guests were dash dressed. Answer casually. Canadian wolves are dash wolves in the world and twice dash a large dog. Answers the largest and as big as. Measles dash an infectious disease. Answer is. It was a dash. Answer 30-minute show. Sentence A. Why are you sitting there? Sentence B. Frankly, there is dash interesting to do. Answer nothing. I agree. I get terribly dash when people talk about politics. Answer depressed. I am going to dash next term because the exams are getting closer. Answer study hard. The weather changed dash. There was a dash change in the weather. Answers: unexpectedly and unexpected. Dash you say to her, she still keeps smiling. Answer: whatever. I have put everything you need in writing because I want you to know dash things stand while I am not here. Answer: which? The government recommended that the housing program dash. Answer: be speeded up. He is dash better at golf, dash at swimming because he even doesn't know how to hit the ball. Answers: no and then. Do you know that ice cream has about dash calories as 3 glasses of milk? Answer: as many. Did you know that learning to skill is dash than learning to skate? Answer: much easier. You should be concentrating on your project dash listening to music all night long. Answer: rather than. Our teacher was so indecisive that she was dash persuaded to change her mind again. Answer: readily. We all behave dash when we don't have any anxiety. Fill in the blank with suitable adverb. Answer: nonchalantly. I dash forgot about it. Fill in the blank with suitable adverb. Answer: quickly. The report must be read dash. Only then the action will be taken. Fill in the blank with suitable adverb. Answer: carefully. The teacher shook her head dash when her student lied to her. Fill in the blank with suitable adverb. Answer: sorrowfully. The two teams played dash. Fill in the blank with suitable adverb. Answer carefully. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.